The shampoo industry is a scam. Companies are selling weird hair products filled with random chemicals, BPAs, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, which only damage your natural oil production, making your hair more brittle and worse, which puts you in a cycle of buying more hair products in the future to try and fix the issue their products gave you in the first place, which is insane. The hair industry is not there to help you, but to take your money. I used to use so many different hair products over the years to help my damaged and rapidly thinning hair, but all it would do, it would make my hair look good for the moment, and then I would have to do the same thing over and over again in order to have the appearance of nice hair, but in reality my hair was truly unhealthy. Once I made this realization, I started doing some research and discovered egg shampoo.
Eggs are the best shampoo.
Egg shampoo.
Biggest candidate for that, of course, I always talk about it, is raw eggs. So this goes straight into S tier.
Washing my hair using raw eggs.
You need to start using an egg yolk as your natural version of shampoo.
The reason people are using egg shampoo is that the egg yolk contains bioavailable biotin, which is used for the production of keratin. Keratin is a structural protein and acts as a building block for your skin and hair. Biotin in the form of cream or shampoo can be absorbed through the skin, so applying egg yolks directly to your skin would help nourish the hair follicles by providing it with nutrients it requires to grow. It may sound nuts at first, but you genuinely have to try this. So the way to do this is you separate the egg yolk from the egg white. The reason we don't want to apply the egg white is that it contains avidin, which decreases the bioavailability of biotin. So it would be counterproductive to apply egg whites to your hair. Once you separate the egg yolk from the egg white, you can place the egg yolk in a bowl and break it open so that it becomes runny. Take the bowl in the shower and apply it on your hair for around 10 seconds, just like you would with shampoo, and then just wash it right off. It is super simple. You don't need to leave it in your hair for half an hour as a mask. Just a quick rinse, and that would make your hair very soft and clean without making it smell like egg. When showering, you need to use cold water or room temperature at best, because you don't want to cook the egg with hot water. Now here is a clip of my hair after the shower and me pat drying my hair with a towel. It feels very soft and totally clean. It is as simple as that. Your hair will become so much healthier. To really improve the quality of your hair, you also need to improve your diet in order to upregulate the production of keratin and biotin to make your hair naturally stronger. Super simple. You need to incorporate fruits, raw milk, eggs, and red meat. These are the foods with the most bioavailable micronutrients and protein, and will improve your health in the long run, including your hair. And since you made it this far into the video, I want to share a bonus tip that would really improve the health of your hair, and that is to use a shower filter. The quality of the water can really affect the health of your hair, so I would recommend investing into a decent shower filter. So there you go, friends. This is my take on the shampoo industry. It is a total scam. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and leave a comment about what you think of the shampoo industry. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you want to stay tuned, feel free to subscribe. I will be posting a brand new video each week. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.